Hello, this is Adster2000 with another how-to. Today we'll be looking at something from a set. It is how to make a Lego lawnmower. Hang on while I take it apart. It is the one to the apple tree house. And I thought it was really cool, so I decided to make a video. I do not need the instructions, that's how simple it is. Okay, here we go. First, you take a 2x4 plate and a 1x1 stud. Put it right there. And then you take a 1x1 plate and put it right to the side. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. And then you take you take this and put it like this. Like that. And then you take a 1x2 plate with these on it, those things, and put it right here. And then you flip it around and take 4 1x1 plates with this on it and put them on the bottom. Wait, sorry, this way. It is fairly easy, but I just made a video before this one, so I'm kind of mixed up on that. Okay, so it should look like this. And then you take 4 black 1x1 studs and put them on each side. There. And then you take one of these and put it on top. And then you take one of these pieces and put it right here. So this is how it should look. Oh, it just fell off. And then you take one of these and you put it right into that hole. And there you got yourself a Lego lawnmower. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. Thank you so much. Adster out.